Ask the Muscle Whisperer.
Hello everybody, I hope that you are well and that you're having a lovely week so far. My name is Caren and I am from the Well School. So as part of the Muscle Whisperer series, we have been asked this month, what techniques do you swear by for handling no-shows and cancellations? And how would you recommend therapists handle the inevitable rise due to COVID-19 in no-shows and cancellations as we all return to hands-on bodywork? So pre-COVID, some of us might have had to manage no-shows and cancellations, which can be incredibly awkward, especially when you have a no cancellation policy and you're trying to recoup some funds because the client hasn't turned up. I have found that incredibly difficult over the years. And for many years, I was definitely a pen and paper girl and used to write all my appointments down. I have a serious love for stationery. However, I was convinced to try an electronic diary. And I have to say it's transformed everything. And with our electronic system, we actually use Acuity, which is incredibly useful. But I know some of our students have used Clinico in the past, and there's some other really fantastic electronic diaries that you could have a look at as well. So what we have found with our diary is that it reduces admin time for a start. So if a client wants to swap their appointment, they can do that themselves. They don't have to contact me. I don't have to do that. So it's reduced my admin time, which is always a really lovely thing. And then our appointment system always texts or emails the client 24 hours ahead of time to remind them that their appointment is coming up as well. So for those clients that maybe don't show up because they've forgotten, because life is so busy, this has stopped that from happening because they've got those reminders as well. And the other thing that our appointment system does, so we've set it up to do, is that the system will take payment when the client is booking the appointment. So they can't book unless they pay for the appointment. If they then choose not to turn up or they forget about their appointment, despite having the reminders, then the appointment has already been paid for, so we are not chasing money for a missed appointment. So it's taken that awkwardness out as well. The system also doesn't allow a client to cancel their appointment for so many hours ahead of their treatment as well. So we've set up that as well. So, but with the COVID-19, the pandemic, and people possibly displaying symptoms, and actually I don't want them to turn up if they've got symptoms, I obviously have to have some flex there and be understanding to clients who are actually really looking forward to coming back into the treatment room as well, that they now can't make their appointment. So I have clients on standby who are waiting for an appointment or maybe an earlier appointment, and I can contact them and let them know that there's an appointment coming up. Also posting on social media that there is an appointment that has arrived as well, so I can try and keep these appointments filled so I'm not sitting around waiting. And also putting on social media what the practices are. If you need to cancel your appointment, please do let us know in advance so that people are very aware of what it is that they need to do. So if you're displaying any symptoms, please try and tell me with as much notice. And putting it into your newsletters, well, kind of what it is that you're hoping or you're expecting from your client, just so that your income is not impacted. And people are generally have been very understanding. We also, in the pre-treatment questionnaire for COVID, it emails me and lets me know if anybody has been displaying some symptoms, so I know that I need to contact them, cancel them, and try and get someone in their place as well. But I hope that's been useful. I hope there's something there that you can use, and I will hopefully see you next month. Have a lovely week, everybody. Take care now.